Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share more cards that I've made. I'm still sticking with the Aloha theme. My mother-in-law saw my post, I forget where I posted it, maybe Instagram or somewhere, and she wanted a set too. So these are the next set of cards that I worked on for the last few days. I'll just do a flip through. Hopefully you guys can find some inspiration from these. But still, the Altenew wreath that I use looks like a lei to me, so that's what I'm using it for. And then the Fawn Aloha, I did pop it up a few times so there is a little dimension. And then I don't know what embossing folder this is from, but this is a I think it's a Stamps of Life stamp. I could be wrong. I mean die set. Yeah, I thought I had it here on my desk, and I might, I just don't see it right off the bat, but oh, it is. It's a Stamps of Life set. And then I just added some jammies. Then there's just another one. Different colors. This embossing folder, I'm not sure whose embossing folder this is either. This is a Puakini flower, and I got this stamp from it's from a Hawaiian vendor, but this one, this stamp, and then this stamp, the crown flower. But that one there, this one, and then the last one of these. So I think I got like 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10 of them out of this crafting batch. So I hope you found some inspiration. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.